you need to put this built-in fuel in this built-in fuel can. Okay, so you can try it in your home and try it for so many times, and maybe we will fail again. So first we need to start it and then ignition. Okay, so if you want to check is it okay to fire this stop, okay, so first we need to make sure that this one is started. Okay, so and we can't to put them. Okay, so second we need to open the ignition, open the windproof. Okay, so open it and close it and open it. Okay, so open it and then, oh sorry, I forgot to open these feet. Okay, so we need to open these feet, and the feet can let it stand on the floor or stand on the soil. Okay, so now we open it, and next we need to, the second step, we need to open the ignition, open the switch, and we need to control it. Let's control it. Please be very careful and control just a little more, Then we will hear the fuel is out, and then ignition it. Okay, so the fire is out, and let's let it be bigger. Okay, control the fire is become bigger. Oh, it's so big. Control it to smaller. Okay, so this fire is, you can use this fire power to boil some water. Okay, so big, let's let it be small. Okay, and you can so, and we also sell the cooking set. Okay, so you can put it on it.